All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of a second floor, 2-bed, 1-bath here in Brookline. All right, so as soon as we walk in, we have a closet to the right. Lots of good space in this unit. All right, we have the living room directly to the right. Nice open space. Some large windows overlooking the courtyard. It's a beautiful day outside. That doesn't hurt. Okay, as you can see, hardwood floors throughout. Good sized foyer. And let's check out the bathroom. All right, all your basic essentials: toilet, sink, vanity, with a standing shower tub combo. Some more of that good sunlight coming in. You have a built-in hutch with some drawers, linen, some shelves right there. And then we have the what could be one of the bedrooms, but they're using it as another living room common area. All right, more windows overlooking the courtyard. All right. So again, if you wanted to set this up as a bedroom, you could close the French doors, put a curtain over it, get some privacy. Good sized closet right there. And out of the first bedroom and into the second bedroom. Okay, so really good sized bedroom here. The windows are facing the building next door. All right. We have a really good sized closet here with built-in drawers. All right. Tons of coat space, even some space up top there. All right. And then we have this door. This door actually takes us to the kitchen, which, yeah, okay. So, but we'll exit out just so you can get a better idea. This is another closet. More storage. Okay. And finally, we have the kitchen here. All right. So this is the door that was on one of the bedrooms, and will give you direct access to the kitchen. Kitchen here has a fridge, open range gas stove, counter space, sink, some cabinets, some counter space, more cabinets there. This is a small little food pantry area right there. This door is an egress and will take you down to the basement. You do have your own side of the balcony, somewhat private. You will share it with one other apartment unit, but there's plenty of space out there. Yeah. Maybe get a better look over there. There you go. There is laundry on site. Heat and hot water are included, and your minutes to Coolidge Corner. It's a great 2-bed. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Angel at lmcrealtyboston.com. Happy hunting.